Hi guys, today we're going to be making a flower. To start off, we're going to be needing a cupcake mold, a napkin. The square one for this activity will be the best one. A spray bottle, a skewer, some paint, some more paint, a paintbrush, and finally, tape. So what you're going to do, put everything away. You're going to be needing your napkin and your skewer. So what you're gonna do right now is you're gonna take your skewer, and it doesn't have to be exact middle, but try to put it in the exact middle of the napkin and push it down. Now what you're gonna do is you're gonna take every single edge and put it onto the skewer. It should look like this. Now you're going to do every single edge again. And now this is how it's supposed to look, but actually we're making the flower look like this. So what you're gonna be needing is your spray bottle to soften it up. If there's a corner that you couldn't put on, you just spray with the spray bottle or anything that's you can spray with, and you just put it on there. Now you're gonna crumble it up. So with your tape, you're gonna grab about this long, and you're gonna put it around the flower at the bottom. Just like that. Now you're actually gonna take it off, and you're gonna grab your cupcake mold and fit it in. Now you're gonna put it in, just like that, like this. Now you're gonna wet the whole thing, and you're gonna take your paint, and you're gonna put it on the flower. It can be any color. Now you're gonna take your paintbrush, and you're just gonna color it around like that. But we're not only gonna use one color, we're actually gonna use two. But if you want, you can use more than two. You can use 3, you can use 4. But just make sure it's a lighter shade that you chose. I chose light pink. So next I'm going to choose dark pink. We added the water because then it's going to be easier to paint with. Just like that. Now you're going to grab your other colors, and you're going to grab a different shade of that. I'm going to choose this color. So basically you're going to do everything the same, just at the bottom to maybe cover the tape. just like that. You may be wondering why I didn't put the orange all the way down. It's because I'm using a third color. So again, we're going to put it down. And we're going to grab your third color. Then you're going to grab your paintbrush and you're going to put it on there. Just like that. For the last color is we're gonna choose yellow for the middle. So now you're gonna set it aside again. Open your yellow. You're gonna take some of the paint off, and then you're gonna put it inside the yellow. And on the middle of the flower, here, you're gonna put that yellowness. Just like that. So actually, what we're gonna do now is we're gonna take off the cupcake mold. Like that. So, remember how our flower looked like this and now it looks like this? It's fine. And if your flower looks different also, that's also fine, because every single flower is not the same. Maybe you can plant the same flowers, but they will look different. One will have bigger petals, one will have smaller petals. So finally, we're gonna take the green and you're gonna take the skewer and you're gonna just dip it in there. Just like that. Bye guys, see you in the next video.